This TechGeek TV video is sponsored by Logitech. Hello, my name is Stuart Wilson and I'm with techgeek.com.au, and this is a first look on Windows 8. It's the developer preview, and we've got our hands on it. Anyone can download it at dev.windows.com. You don't have to be a developer to enable to download it, so get to that site and download a copy for yourself. If you are going to download it and install it on your computer, I would recommend installing it in a virtual machine, such as VMware or VirtualBox, as you don't want to overwrite your Windows 7 installation, as it's only a developer preview at the moment, so it's buggy and unresponsive in some regards. In that, let's start up Windows 8. I've installed it on a spare notebook I have. I partitioned my hard drive, and here's the startup screen, and we'll just give that a moment. And because I've got both installations of Windows 7 and the developer preview, I can choose an operating system, and this is actually pretty cool. This is the new boot loader for Windows. You can actually change the timer, change the default operating system, and look at some repair tools, all from the boot manager. Before, you couldn't do this, like changing the timer or stuff like that with Windows 7. It was actually an option within Windows. But Microsoft have made that an option within the bootloader now, so that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and start up the Windows Developer Preview. And as you can see, that was extremely fast startup. So this is the login screen. So let's log in, and I've associated my Windows 8 installation with my Windows Live ID. So, and I've also set up a PIN, so I just go enter my PIN, and it will just log in a moment. Since it's the first login from when starting up, it is a bit slow. And so here is the start screen. If you don't know already, the start screen is actually, the start menu is actually gone. There is no more start menu. It is a start screen. This is it. As you can see, it looks very much like Windows Phone 7 in regards to the Metro tiles and live tiles, as you can see here with Facebook down here and a Flickr application here. So because I'm on a laptop, I've got to use the page up and page down keys in order to swipe across my start screen. Of course, if you had a notebook with a touch screen or a tablet, you'll just be able to use your finger and swipe and just also tap apps, but I've got to use the mouse. And now if you're wondering, yes, there is still a desktop. You click on desktop and it'll load your desktop. So you can have Windows Explorer with its new ribbon interface. IE9 is here, just in its normal capacity in a normal window. So that's still there and that's still okay. But within the start screen, we've got Internet Explorer, and it's full screen. Exactly, looks almost, the application almost looks like the one from Windows Phone 7. So normal, got a full screen app with the bar on the side. And the address bar goes away after a little bit, and of course you could just browse the web full screen on your tablet or on your laptop without any distractions or anything. So let's say if you're reading a news article on techgeek.com.au and you don't want somebody messaging you, it's full screen, you don't see anything. And of course you can go back, open new tabs, and stuff like that. So you got your frequent pages on the side. So that's pretty cool. So we can go back to the start screen by just pushing the Windows key. Of course, every keyboard would have that. And so, of course, we've got the live tiles here. So we've got weather. I haven't actually opened this yet, so I wonder if it'll get my location. Let's see. By the way, my laptop doesn't have a GPS, but it might get it through my IP address or something like that. Let's take... Well, it looks like the weather app didn't want to start up, so we'll just skip that for now, but we'll have a look at the Tweetorama app. It's the built-in application for Twitter. I've already authenticated my Twitter account with it. So it's what you expect as a Twitter account, full screen on Windows 8, of course. Let's see. That just opens up in a page. That was actually a picture from Bogal's, but no, apparently it doesn't. Oops. Let's go back to that. So here it is here. So yeah, that's the application there. So we can go back to the start screen, and that is pretty much Windows 8 developer preview. The beta should be out as the next installment. So yeah, that's it. If we just take a look in Control Panel, this is where you can personalize your lock picture, user accounts, wireless, notifications, privacy, general, actually I should say privacy, sharing what apps you can share with, what apps that you can send things with, ease of access. You've got high contrast, which looks like it's going to take a while to set that up. So these are people with seeing disabilities, and a nice quick way to change settings within Windows 8, especially on a tablet. Before in Windows 7 you had to go through a number of menus, or I can't remember the key combination. So there we go, high contrast. So, and we'll just change that back to normal contrast so we can see the screen a little bit better. Okay, so we're back here. So we've also got devices. So the devices that are within your network, of course, not many are going to be found yet because probably some of them aren't compatible with Windows 8. We've got sync settings. I'm not sure what that's used for at the moment. You might be able to sync settings through different PCs. Home group, of course, is a Windows 7 feature. Windows Update, which I don't think is working at the moment, since I don't think there are any updates for the developer preview. And then, of course, we've just got the normal control panel where you'll be able to control everything like you can in Windows 7. So that's Windows 8. Thanks for watching. We might have some other videos out soon with some other Windows 8 videos, but we will bring you another video when Windows 8 beta comes out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.